Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to clear space in the Facebook Lite app on your phone. This is a common issue for many users who notice their app taking up too much storage. By following a few simple steps, you can free up space. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then scroll down until you find the section labeled Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. Next, you will see the Clear Space option. Tap on Clear Space to continue. Then, you will see a checkbox that says Clear All. Check this box to select all data that can be cleared. Finally, click on the Clear button to free up storage on your phone. After completing these steps, your Facebook Lite app should have more available space. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.